Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MOF paper solution for class 6 which was held on 26th of October 2025, part first, that is physics. So let's start with question number first. So question number first is, why cannot a single magnet pole being isolated even if the magnet is cut multiple times? We know that if a single magnet have always two poles, that is north pole and south pole. If we cut the magnet, the south and north pole always exist, so single pole cannot be exist in magnet when we cut a magnet. So our correct answer will be option B, because poles cannot exist independently. Move to the next question. So question number 2 says, a student claims copper is magnet because it is a metal. Okay, you respond that all metals are magnet. No, copper is a non-magnetic despite being a metal. Yes, copper is a non-magnetic being a metal. So our correct answer will be option B. Move to the next, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is based on match the column. So first column is matched with column second. P, divider. Divider is used with scale to measure the length. So P is connect with 2. Measuring tape. What is measuring tape? Flexible measuring tool. So Q is connect with 4. Zero error. Zero error is due to one out the ruler. First S is connected with 1 kilometer have 1000 meters. So 3. So our correct answer will be option number D, 2, 4, 1, 3. Move to the next, question number 4, that is based on scale measurement. To measure the length of a pencil using a broken scale, one places the pencil as shown in the image. One end of the pencil is at 4 centimeter mark and the other end is at 13.8 centimeter mark. What is the actual length of the pencil? So one end is at 13.8 centimeter and other one is at 4 centimeter. So the actual length is 9.8 centimeter. So our correct answer will be option B, which is 9.8 centimeter. Move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, a cyclist goes around a circular path, okay, with a constant speed. The speed is constant. Okay, what changes? Speed? No, speed is constant. Direction of motion? Yes, because in circular motion at every single point the direction of motion is changed. So our correct answer will be option B. Move to the next, that is question number 6, which is based on assertion and reason. So assertion says, when two like poles are brought close, they repel each other. What is two like poles? Suppose we have a magnet and other one is like this, that is south pole is here and north pole is here. These are the two like poles. So we know that like poles are repel each other. So assertion is true. Reason, like poles have similar magnetic field directions causing a repulsive force. Yes, true. And reason is correct explanation of assertion. So our correct answer will be A. Both assertion and reason are true and R is a correct explanation of assertion A. Move to the next one, question number 7 and 8. Both are based on paragraphs. So paragraph is, to preserve the strength of magnets, Mr. Verma store bar magnets by keeping a soft iron strap across their poles. Okay, he explained to the students that this soft iron strap called a keeper, straps are called in keeper, okay, prevents the magnet from losing its magnetic power over time. This method avoids random movement of magnet domains that could weaken the magnet. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is, what is the soft iron strap placed across magnet pole is called keepers. So our correct answer will be option C. Move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, why is a keeper used magnets? Because to prevent to lose their magnetism. So our correct answer of question number 8 will be C option. Move to the next question, question number 9, which is based on assertion and reason. So assertion is, a fan blades show rotational motion. Yes, true. Reason, in rotational motion the objects move around a fixed axis. Also true. And reason is correct explanation of assertion. So our correct answer will be option A. Move to the next question, that is question number 10, which is based on sequence based. So the question number 10 is, steps to safely store a horseshoe magnet. P is place keepers across the poles. Q is store from heat and hammering. R is wrap the magnet in cloth or box. S is label N or S. So first we label North Pole and South Pole of a magnet. Second, we place keepers across the poles. And then we wrap the magnet in cloth or box. And finally, store away from heat and hammering. So our correct sequence will be 2, 4, 3, 1. 2, 4, 3, 1 means S, and then P, then R, and then Q. So correct answer will be option C. So these are the solution of physics part. I hope you get your answers. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 6th. Let's discuss with the questions. You are given an unknown substance. It floats on water. It is not attracted to a magnet. It is not soluble in water. It burns with black smoke. What is the most likely material? Now, the option A is stone. As we know that stone is heavier than water and it can't float on water, so it is not the correct option. Plastic. Yes, plastic floats on water. Plastic is not attracted to a magnet. Plastic is not soluble in water, and plastic burns with black smoke. These all properties are resembled with the plastic. So the answer will be B, that is plastic. C, iron. Iron can't flow on water and it is attracted to a magnet. So it is not the correct option. Salt. Yes, salt is soluble in water. So it is again not the correct option. So the correct option is B. Now the next question is, look at the flow chart for separating a mixture of sand, salt and water. And this is the flow chart mixture. When we take the mixture of sand, salt and water, so after this filtration is done, and after filtration we get Y and a filtrate, and after the evaporation we get Z. Let's discuss what are Y and Z. As we know that the mixture of sand, salt and water, first of all we have to filtrate it. Filtration is done for this, so we get sand first, and as a filtrate we get water plus salt. Now after evaporation, water is evaporated and salt is present as a residue. So according to this, Y will be sand and Z will be salt. Let's discuss the options. Option A, Y is sand, Z is salt. Yes, this is true. This is the correct option. B, Y is salt, Z is water. No, it is wrong. C, Y is water, Z is sand. No, it is wrong. Y is salt and Z is sand. No, it is again wrong. So correct option is A. Let's discuss the next question. This is match the column, and in column 1 some materials are given, and column 2 common use or category. P, plastic bottle. Q, steel utensils. R, wooden door. S, glass window. And column 2, 1, transparency, lightweight, waterproof. Second, cooking, durable, conducts heat. Third, opaque, strong, non-conductor. 4, allows light, brittle and shiny. Let's match the columns. Plastic bottle. Plastic bottle is transparency, lightweight and waterproof. So P resemble with first. Steel utensils are used in cooking, durable, conducts heat. So Q resemble with 2. Wooden door, it is opaque, strong and non-conductor. So R resemble with 3. And glass window, which allows light, brittle and shiny. So S resemble with 4. Let's discuss the option. Option A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the correct answer. Now, B is 4, 2, 3, 1. This is wrong. C is 3, 1, 4, 2. This is wrong. D is 2, 1, 4, 3. This is again wrong. So, correct option is A. Let's discuss the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A is filtration can be used to separate salt from salt water mixture. And this is not true because filtration is used for the insoluble substances, the mixture of insoluble substances. Hand picking is used to separate liquids from a mixture. No, this is again wrong because hand picking is mostly used when the substances present in a mixture are differ by shape, size and color. So it is wrong. Decantation is used to separate oil from water. Yes, this is perfectly correct because decantation we can separate oil and water mixture. Evaporation cannot separate dissolved solid from liquids. No, this is not the correct because evaporation can separate dissolved solid from the liquid. So it is wrong. And the correct option is C. Let's discuss the next question. Classification of material. Test 1, transparency test, and there is a flow chart in which on the basis of transparency, there are 3 types of material: transparent, opaque and translucent. Test 2, then check if it floats on water. Floats, then it can be taken as D, sinks, then E. Which material does not likely float the path B to D? Let's take the options. Option A is sponge. Sponge, as we know that sponge is opaque, so it follows B. And after when we check floating test, then we know that sponge can floats, so this follows the path B to D. Wood, again wood is opaque and can float, so this also follows the path B to D. Thermocol, thermocol again opaque and can float, so it again follows the path B to D. Glass, let's check. Glass is transparent and can sink in water, so it follows the path A to E. And we have to choose that does not likely follows the path B to D, and the correct answer is option D. Now take the next question. Assertion: a frying pan is translucent. No, this is the false statement, because as we know that frying pan is opaque. Reason: translucent objects allow some light to pass through them. Yes, translucent objects allow partial light to pass through them. So, this is the true statement. Now, option A is both assertion and reason are the true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. This is not the correct answer. Both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. This is again wrong. Assertion A is true and reason is false. This is again wrong. Assertion is false and reason is true. This is the correct option for the question. This is option D. Let's take the next question. Paragraph based. Rani was helping her mother in the kitchen. While preparing rice, they first washed it in water. The dirt floated on the top and was removed. Then the rice was cooked in excess water, and later the remaining water was drained out. In another task, they were separating tea leaves from the tea using a strainer. Let's take the question. Which one of the following combinations is correctly matched with the method used? First option A is removing tea leaves, that is evaporation. No, this is wrong, and this is called the sieving. Removing stones from rice, that is filtration. Yes, this can be taken as the wrong option. Removing dirt from rice, this is decantation. Yes, this is taken as the correct answer. Removing water from rice, this is called magnetic separation. No, this is wrong, because for magnetic separation there is at least one substance is of magnetic property. So the option C is correct. Now the next question is, why did the dirt float on water? Option A, it was soluble in water. No, dirt is not soluble in water. It was heavier than water. No, as it is floated on the water, because it is not heavier but it is lighter than water. It has lower density than water. Yes, this is true for the question, because the dirt is of lower density and lighter as compared to water, so it floats. D, it was magnetic. No, it is again wrong. So the correct option is C. Now the next question is assertion reason. Soluble substances disappear completely when mixed with water. Yes, this is true, because soluble substances mix in same proportion. So these will completely disappear, and this is true for the question. Reason: soluble substances change into gases when stirred in water. No, this is the false statement. Let's take the options. Option A, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. No, you see, it is wrong. Both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. This is again the wrong option. Assertion is true and reason is false. Yes, this is the correct option. assertion is false and reason is true, again this is the wrong option. So the correct answer is option C. And this is the last question, sequence based. Arrange the steps for grouping material based on transparency. First, shine light through the object. Second, record whether full, partial or no light passes through. Third, group object as transparent, translucent or opaque. Fourth, select objects of different materials. Choose the correct order. Let's choose. We, according to these 4 steps, we have choose fourth as a first step. Now after 4 we can choose 1, shine light through the object, and after this we have taken record whether full, partial or no light passes through, that is second, and the last step will be third, this is group object as transparent, translucent and opaque. So options are option A 4 2 1 3, this is wrong. Option B 1 2 3 4, this is again wrong. Option C 4 1 2 3, yes, this is the correct order. And option D 2 1 3 4, this is again wrong. So the correct answer is option C. Now this is the part 2 chemistry for class 6. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉग इन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology. Let's start. First question for class 6th. Identify the type of vitamin PQR. Vitamin PQR from the given statements and select correct statement regarding them. PQR. Help to maintain healthy skin and improve night vision. Night vision related to vitamin A. Help to keep gum and joint healthy related to vitamin C. Help in clotting of blood related to vitamin K. According to PQR statement, option A, B, C and D. Select correct statement only. Correct. P could be vitamin C, which is found in seafood. That is wrong, because vitamin C found in citrus fruit like lemon. Q could be vitamin A, which is found in citrus fruit. That is wrong, because vitamin A found in so many vegetable and fruit. Next, option C, R could be vitamin B, which is found in yeast, egg and liver. That is wrong. D, deficiency of PQR could cause night blindness. Night blindness because it is related to vitamin A. Scurvy related to vitamin C and prolonged bleeding respectively. That is related to vitamin K. Vitamin A, loss of vision. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, related to scurvy and bleeding gum in their symptoms. So, according to PQR, P is vitamin A, Q vitamin C, and R vitamin K. So, our right answer is option D. Next, give below are the four food component PQRS and their corresponding source. P, from meat, pulses and egg. Q, butter, ghee and margarine. R, bread, biscuit and potato. S, amla, tomato and orange. Select the correct statement regarding them. Deficiency of P cause goiter. Goiter in children. Deficiency of P. But goiter caused by deficiency of iodine, and these are all example of protein, source of protein. So option A is wrong. B, among P, Q, R and S, 1 gram of R produce maximum energy. From PQR, first 1 gram of R, bread, biscuit, potato. That is wrong, because maximum energy is produced by fat. 1 gram fat equal to 9 calorie. So wrong. Option B is wrong. Excess of S get stored in body cell and is used for production of energy and whenever required. This is S, amla. But vitamin C is not stored. So option C is wrong. And deficiency of S lead to a disease, that is scurvy, in which gums swell up and bleed. That is right. Option D is correct for these statement, because deficiency of C cause scurvy disease that is related to gums and bleed. So right answer is option D. Next, match column first and second. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Column first and second. P, herb related, match with column seconds in C. Short, green and weak stem. Short, green, weak stem herb. Shrub related to woody stem branches near the base. Shrub. Next, tree relate with tall, strong and woody stem with branch high up. This one. Climber, weak stem need support to climb. So according to match, our right answer is 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1 in option C. Option C is right answer. Next, refer to given figure W, X, Y and Z and select incorrect statement regarding them. Mustard is a plant having a W type of root system. W type of root system, that is right, because mustard contain taproot system, because mustard is dicot plant. Palm is a plant having Y type of leaves. Y type mean parallel venation, parallel type of venation in palm. Carrot is a plant having X type of root system. X type of root system, that is wrong. In carrot, fibrous type of root system is absent. So that is wrong. Petunia is a plant having Z type of leaf. That is right. So, option C, incorrect statement. Option C is right answer for this. Next, refer to the given flow chart. Select the correct statement regarding P, Q, R, S. Regarding P, Q, R, S. Edible root. If yes, that is P. Edible seed, yes, that is Q. Edible stem, yes, that is grow below the ground, yes, R. If no, that is S. Edible stem, edible seed, edible root. Example of edible stem, seed, and root. According to this flow chart, option A, P could be potato, whereas Q could be clove. P, edible root, but in option potato, potato is a type of stem. So option A is wrong. Next, S could be sugarcane. S could be sugarcane, whereas R could be ginger. R could be ginger. Edible stem, yes, sugarcane is a example of stem. Grow below the ground, that is ginger, right? And if no, then S. Then S is sugarcane, right? Option B is right for this question. Next, assertion A. Food rich in iron is necessary to prevent anemia. And reason are iron help in the formation of hemoglobin in blood, because in our RBC hemoglobin present, heme pigment, globin protein, and contain iron that is important for formation of hemoglobin. So, according to assertion and reason, assertion A true and reason is true. Reason is explanation of assertion is right. Both assertion A and reason are true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. Our right answer is option A. Next, Pradeep was asked to plan a healthy meal for a growing child and choose chapati, boiled egg, and glass of milk to support muscles development and energy need. In contrast, Ravi regularly eat fast food like chips, burger, and sugary drinks. These are the harmful substance, and continue intake of these substance show some disease or deficiency in our body. Over time, he began to feel tired and noticed weight gain, and possibly due to an imbalance in essential nutrient and required for maintaining good health. According to this paragraph, healthy and unhealthy food, question is which two main nutrient is Pardeep's meal likely to provide? Option A, carbohydrate and fat. Option B, vitamin and water. Option C, protein and carbohydrate. And D, fiber and mineral. According to paragraph, Pardeep plan healthy meal like chapati, boiled egg, and glass of milk. Chapati for carbohydrate, egg for protein, and milk for lactose, sugar, that means carbohydrate, and minute amount of protein also. So according to paragraph, option C is correct for protein and carbohydrate. Next question is, Pradeep, according to paragraph, which combination of nutrient imbalance is most likely responsible for Ravi's condition? Because Ravi use chips, burger, sugary drink. Option A, excess protein and lack of fat. Excess fat and sugar, lack of vitamin and fiber, lack of carbohydrate and protein, and lack of water and minerals only. According to Ravi's condition, excess fat and sugar, excess fat and sugar in drink and burger and chips, and lack of vitamin and fiber. Option B is right answer for this question. Next, assertion A. Organisms are grouped together based on similarity and difference. Next, classification help in understanding the diversity of life on Earth. Assertion and reason 2. Because organism group based on similarity and difference, right? And reason, explanation, correct explanation of assertion. Option A, both assertion and reason. True, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. Next question. What is the correct sequence of event of gas exchange in a plant leaf during photosynthesis? Option A, stomata close, carbon dioxide release, photosynthesis occur, oxygen enter. During stomata close, no gas exchange. Next, oxygen enter, photosynthesis occur, carbon dioxide release, and stomata close. That is wrong. Stomata open, and carbon dioxide enter, carbon dioxide CO2 enter, photosynthesis occur in cell, photosynthesis occur. Next, oxygen release, option C is right for this question. These are the all solution for biology. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6 for mathematics subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 31st, that is, which one of the following is in correct order? So here we have given order. So first we have given fraction, that is 35. The second is 2 by 3 and the third is 3 by 4. So first we take the LCM of all the denominators, that is 5, 3 and 4, and the LCM we get, that is 60. So we can write here 3 upon 5 multiply by 12 upon 12. So here we can say that 12 3 ja 36 upon 60. Next 2 upon 3 multiply by 20 upon 20. It means 40 upon 60. And next 3 upon 4 multiply by 15 upon 15. That is 45 upon 60. In these fractions we have same denominator, so we can compare with the numerator. Okay, so the greatest fraction, that is 45 upon 60, then 40 upon 60, then 36 upon 60. So I can write here 3 by 4 greater than 2 by 3 greater than 3 by 5. So check which option is correct. So here if I talk about the option number C, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, it means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is sequence based, and the question is arrange the following expression in increasing order. So first we have to solve all the P, Q, R, S. So if I talk about the P, so I can write here -1 bracket minus 25 plus 40. When I simplify it, here we get minus 15. Now next q minus curly bracket mod of minus 30, the value of mod of minus 30 is 30, minus bracket minus 10 plus minus minus plus, so minus 10 plus 5, here we get again minus 5. So here the result is minus 35. Next r, we get minus bracket, if we simplify it, so we can say that 59 divided by minus 3. So the result is 59 upon 3. Next s, we can say that minus minus plus and 7 3 ja 21 minus mod of minus 15 is 15. So here we get that is 6. So we have to arrange in increasing order. It means smaller to larger. So first we take q, after this we take p, after this we take s, and last we take r. So the correct increasing order is q, p, s, r. So q, p, s, r. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is 33, and the question is the ratio of the side of a rectangular plot is 5:4. Okay. The area is 500 meters square. What is the perimeter of the plot? Here we have given ratio, that is length ratio breadth. We have given that is 5:4. So first we convert this ratio in the form of numbers. So I can write here the length, that is 5x, breadth we get 4x, and area we have given, that is 500 meters square. So I can write here 5x multiply 4x is equal to 500. It means 20x square is equal to 500. So I can write here x square equal to 500 upon 20, which is equal to 25. So the value of x here we get, that is 5. Okay. So length here we have 5 multiply 5, that is 25. Breadth we have 4 multiply 5, that is 20. Now we have to find the perimeter. We know perimeter, that is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So I can write here perimeter, that is 2 multiply by 45, that is 90, and the unit here we take meter. So 90 meter is the perimeter. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on assertion and reason, and the question is, if the height of all bars in a bar graph are equal, it means the data value are the same for all the categories. Yes, this one is true. In a bar graph, the height of each bar is proportional to the frequency of the corresponding categories. Yes, this one is also true. And others and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. It means we can say option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next, which is based on simplify, and here we have given 1 minus 1 by 3 bracket 1 minus 1 by 4 bracket again 1 minus 1 by 5 bracket close, then it is 1 minus 1 upon 25. So when I simplify these brackets, so I can say that first, that is 2 upon 3 multiply 3 by 4 multiply 4 by 5 and hence on, that is 24 upon 25. So I can say this one is to cut this one. Here we have a pattern, through this all the numerator and denominators are cut. So the remaining number is, numerator here we get 2 and the remaining denominator, that is 25. So the solution of this expression is 2 upon 25. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which of the following statement are true and false? So here we have statement number 1, that is, if two lines intersect at point P, then P is called the point of concurrence of the two lines. Yes, this one is false, because when two lines are intersect, then we can say the intersecting point, not concurrent. Okay, A, B, C, D are collinear points. So let A, B, C and D, these are the collinear points, and D, P, Q are collinear. D, this is the P and this is the Q. Then point A, B, C, D, P are always collinear. No, on a particular case we can say that always collinear, but in general form we can say this is not collinear. So this one is false. Next, a quadrilateral have two pair of equal adjacent side but unequal opposite sides are called a kite. Yes, this is the kite. And we can say that these adjacent sides are equal and this opposite sides are not equal. So I can write here, this one is true. Next, an isosceles trapezium has non-parallel sides are equal. Yes, this one is also true. It means the correct option is false, false, true, true. So here we have false, false, true, true. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which of the following is true? So here we have A. So we can say that when we solve this, so I can write here minus 27. Here we have B. When I solve this one, so I can write here minus 28. Here we have C. When I solve this, I can write here minus 14 plus 12, that is minus 2. So I can write here C is greater than A is greater than B. So check which option is correct. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the question is, and paragraph is, a group of 5 friends, Arav, Meera, Tanvi, Rishabh, Kabir, the record of number of books they read in each month from January to May is shown in the table below. Okay, then here we have given table, and the question is, what is the mode of the number of books read among all the values of in the given table? So we have to find the mode. So mode, what is the definition of mode? Mode, the most frequent number is known as the mode in the given data, right? So here we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and last, that is the 7. It means 6 occurs 7 times. So this one is the mode. So here we can say option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and again question is, in which month was the total number of books read by all 5 students is highest? So if we add all these books in the month of January, so I can write here 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. The next, 7 plus 8, here we get 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, and 26 plus 6, 32. Next, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 20 plus 24 plus 3, 27. Next, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 5, 26. And last, 9 plus 7, 16. And 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, and 30 plus 6, 36. It means here we have in which month the total number of books read by all 5 students is the highest. So highest here 36, and 36 the month is May. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on match the column, and here we have first P, that is 625 multiplied 436 is equal to 625 multiplied 400 plus 625 multiplied 30 plus 625 multiplied by 60. It means this is the distributive property over addition. It means distributive property of multiplication over addition. So it means P is connected to 3. So I can write here P is connected to 3. Next, here we have Q. This is the commutative under multiplication. It means Q is connected to 2. And here we have next R. This one is the same commutative under addition. So R is connected to 1. So I can write here R is connected to 1. Last S. This is the distributive over subtraction. It means S is connected to 4. So the correct option is 3, 2, 1, 4. So check 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is in a bar graph, the bar of length 3.2 centimeter represent 96 units. It means 3.2 centimeter represent 96 units. Okay, then what is the number of units represented by a bar of length 2.1 centimeter? So first we know the value of 1 centimeter, that is 96 upon 3.24. Now we have to find the 2.1 centimeter. So for 2.1 centimeter I can write here 96 upon 3.2 multiply by 2.1. So point to point cancel out. So I can write here 32 and 32 3 is 96. It means 21 multiplied by 3. Here we get that is 63 units. So 363 units here. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on sequence, and the question is, a gardener is designing a circular floor bed in a park. This one is the circular floor bed. Okay, he places a straight wooden plank across it, and chord here we take AB, and uses a rope to mark equal sides from the center O. So this one is the center O. After that, he wants to divide the bed symmetrically and arrange the following step to explain why the plank is equally divided. So the first step we take, he drops a rope from the center O to the plank and make a right angle perpendicular. So here we draw a plank rope, okay, and we make, this one is the point A, this is the point B, and this is the chord, and we take a perpendicular M. This is we represent M. So here first he drop a rope from center O to the plank and making a right angle. Yes, this one is true. It means first we take P. After that, he measure equal distance from the O to the both ends A and B of the plank. Then we take Q. After Q, he observed that two right angles OMA and OMB. After that, we can take R. And last, he conclude that since the triangles are congruent RHS rule, then the plank is equally divided at M. Yes, this one is S. So the correct sequence is PQRS. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is the region enclosed by two radii of the circle and the arc between them is called. This is the circle and this is the center. Here we have two radii, and this region is known as sector. This region is known as sector. It means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on assertion and reason, and the question is, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord always bisect the chord. Yes, this one is true. Next, in a triangle, the median always bisect the angle. Always, this is false. It means the reason assertion is true and the reason is false. So here we have assertion is true and the reason is false. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, which number is not palindromic number? So a number that remains same when its digits are reversed are known as palindromic number. So this one is the first option A. Here we have number 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. When we reverse all the digits, so I can write here again 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. It means this is the same. So this one is a palindromic number. Next, 1 0 0 2 1. When we reverse the digits, I can write here 1 2 0 0 1. Both are not equal. It means option number B, which is not a palindromic number, and this one is also a palindromic number, and this one is also a palindromic number. Okay. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, which of the following statement are true and false? And the statement number 1, that is, integer is closed under division and subtraction. Yes, this one is false, we can say. Second, 2 minus 4 equal to mod of 2 plus mod of 4. So when I simplify it, so I can write here mod of minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 4. It means 2 equal to 6. This is not possible. It means this one is again false. Third, A, B, C are integers, then A is greater than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. So I can write, when we add C, then we can say that this is also A plus C is greater than, but here we have less than. It means this one is also false. Next, every integer has a successor and predecessors. Okay, that is, for every integers A minus 1 and A plus 1 are integers which are known as predecessors and successors respectively. Yes, this one is true. So the correct option is false, false, false and true. So here we have false, false, false and true. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, figure X made up of 6 identical squares. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 identical squares. 2 squares were removed from the figure X to obtain figure Y. Okay, The perimeter of figure X is 240 centimeter. Perimeter of figure X here we have given that is 240. Then what is the perimeter of figure Y? So let's assume here all these are identical squares. So let's assume this is the X. Again this is the X. This is the X. This one is the X. This one is the X by 2 because this is the midpoint of this side. Okay. This is the again X. This is the X by 2. This is the X. This one is also X. Here we have X. Again this one is X by 2. Here we have X. This is the X by 2. Here we have X. So how many perimeter? That is the sum of all sides. So how many X's are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And X by 2, X by 11, and this one is a 12. It means the perimeter of figure is 12x is equal to 240. So here we get the value of X, that is 240 upon 12, that is 20. Okay, so let's check how many sides are here. X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one that is 9, and this one that is 10. So the perimeter of figure Y, that is 10x, and the value of X here we have 20. So I can write here 10 multiplied by 20, that is 200. So we can say that the perimeter of figure Y, that is 200 centimeter. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the question is a rectangular floor of size 20 meter multiply 12 meter has a semi-circular stage built along of its shorter side. The diameter of the semicircle is equal to the width of the rectangle. The remaining floor is to be covered with the carpet. Okay. The cost of the carpeting is rupees 50 per meter square. Now the question is, what is the total area to be carpeted? So this is a rectangular. This is a rectangular floor, and here we have length, that is 20. Here we have that is 12 meter, and a semicircular stage built along one of its shorter side. So this one is the shorter side. So here we make a semicircular build, and in this area we have to carpet. Okay, we have to cover it with carpet. So area, we have to find the area. So area, we can write here area of rectangle minus area of semi circle. So we know area of rectangle, that is length multiplied breadth. So I can write here 20 multiplied by 12. Okay, minus we know area of circle, that is pi r square. The area of semicircle, that is pi r square by 2, and here we take the value of pi, that is 3.14. So I can write here 3.14 multiply by that, this is the diameter, so radius we get, that is 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6, and divided by 2. So here I can write here 12 2 ja 24, so 240 minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So I can write here 3.14 multiply by 18. Okay, so I can write here 240 minus, when I multiply this, so I can write here 3.14 multiply by 18. So when I multiply here, we get 56.52. So I can write here 56.52. So now when we subtract it, we get answer, that is 183.48 meters square. So check which option is correct. So here option number D is the correct answer. So the next question is, what is the total cost of carpenting? That is, and in last question we solved the area of carpenting, this part, which is 183.48. When I multiply this one is with 50, the answer we get, that is 9174 rupees. This is the cost. So 9174 here. So option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, again which is based on match the column, and the column 1, that is the perimeter of this. So perimeter we know sum of all side. So when we add 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 2 17. It means P 17, here we get perimeter. It means P is connected to 4. So I can write here P is connected to 4. Next, Q. Area of this. So area we know, length multiply breadth. So here we have 35, 3.5 multiply by 1.5. When we solve, we can get 5.25. It means Q is connected to 1. So I can write here Q is connected to 1. Next, R. Area of this one is the square. So we know area of square, that is side square. So 6 multiply 6, 36. It means R is connected to 2. So R is connected to 2. Next, R. We have to find the perimeter. We know perimeter, that is 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus here we have 3, that is 8, 8 plus 2 10, and this one is the 0.5, so 10.5. So S is connected to 3. So the correct option is 4 1 2 3. So 4 1 2 3. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 26 October 2025. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the missing term of given series. So series is 15, 30, 10, 40, 8. After 8 next number is missing. So first find the pattern of the given series. So pattern of the series is 15 multiply by 2, it means 30. Now 30 divided by 3, it means 10. Now 10 multiply by 4, it means 40. Now 40 divided by 5, it means 8. So now pattern is multiply, divide, and 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6. So 8 multiply by 6, it means 48. Because pattern is multiply, divide, now multiply. And number is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 8 multiply by 6, it means 8 is the next number of given number series. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Which letter will replace the question mark to complete the given series? So series is W, G, P, U, D, L. After U, D, L, next is missing Q, X, D and O, U, Z. First find the pattern of the given series. So first taking first letter of each term. So first letter of first term is W. First letter of second term is U. First letter of third term is missing. First letter of fourth term is Q. After Q next is O. Now find the pattern of the given letter series. So place value of W is 23 in English alphabet. Place value of U is 21. Place value of Q is 17. Place value of O is 15. Now pattern is 23 minus 2, it means 21. Now 17 minus 2, it means 15. So similarly 21 minus 2, it means 19. and 19 minus 2 it means 17. So missing place value is 19. So 19 it means S, because place value of S is 19 in English alphabet. So first alphabet of missing term is S. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is G, second alphabet of second term is D, second alphabet of third term is missing, second alphabet of fourth term is X, after X next is U. Now find the place value of letters. So place value of G is 7, place value of D is 4, and place value of X is 24, place value of U is 21. So 7 to 4 it means minus 3, 24 to 21 it means again minus 3. So pattern is 7 minus 3 it means 4, 4 minus 3 it means 1, and 1 minus 3, 1 it means A minus 3 it means X in reverse order, X minus 3 it means U. So missing place value is 1. So it means missing letter is A, because place value of A is 1 in English alphabet. So second alphabet of missing term is A. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is P, third alphabet of second term is L, after L next is missing, third alphabet of fourth term is D, after D next is Z. Now pattern, place value of P is 16, place value of L is 12, and place value of D is 4, place value of Z is 26, other you can say 0 in reverse order. So 16 to 12 it means minus 4, 4 minus 4 it means 0. So pattern is 16 minus 4 it means 12. Now similarly 12 minus 4 it means 8, 8 minus 4 it means 4. Now 4 minus 4 it means 0, other you can say 26. So missing place value is 8. So 8 it means H, because place value of H is 8 in English alphabet. So missing alphabet, third missing alphabet of missing term is S. So missing term is SAH. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. In alphabet series, some alphabets are missing which are given in that order as one of the alternative below it. Choose the correct alternative. So according to this question, options are taken one by one and then check which option is following a defined order. So according to option A, first blank it means M, second blank it means N, third blank it means P, fourth blank it means M, fifth blank it means O, and sixth blank it means N. Now check the pattern. So now pattern is M O P N, M O P N, M O P N, M O P N. So yes, a defined pattern was found from option A. So pattern is M O P N, M O P N. So a defined pattern was found from option A. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. A man walks 15 meters south, then turning to his right and he walks 15 meters, then turning to his left and he walks 10 meters, again turns to his left and walks 15 meters. How far is he from his initial position? Before starting this question, we should know that there are four types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are four types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now question is, a man walks 15 meters towards south. Let's suppose A is the starting point of man. Now man walks 15 meters towards south. First he goes 15 meters towards south, then turning to his right, and go and walks 15 meter and walks 15 meter, then turning to his left, and walks 10 meter, and walks 10 meter, again turn to his left and walks 15 meter, again he turns to his left and walks 15 meter. This is the end point of the man, and this is the initial point of the man. Now find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between initial point and end point. So this man moves 15 meter to this direction, and 15 meter moves to this direction too. So it means initial point and end point will be in the same straight line. So distance between A and B is equals to 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10, it means 25 meter. So distance between initial position and end position is 25 meters. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose the correct water image of given figure X from amongst the four alternatives. Find the water image of given figure X. So in water image, the part of an object which is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water in the water image. So water image of this part will looks something like this. This part is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water in the water image. This part of the figure will look something like this. This is the complete shaded portion. And this part of figure looks like as follows. So this is the correct water image of given figure X. So here option D is the correct answer of this question, because option D shows the correct water image of given figure. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Choose the alternative which is closely resembles the mirror image of the given combination. Mn is a mirror. So now find the mirror image of given combination. So first find the mirror image of 8, because 8 is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. And then find the mirror image of H. This is the mirror image of H. Next find the mirror image of R. So this is the mirror image of R. And then find the mirror image of A. So mirror image of A looks something like this. And then find the mirror image of 7. So this is the mirror image of 7. Now find the mirror image of B. This is the mirror image of B. And then find the mirror image of U. This is the mirror image of U. Mirror image of T will look something like this. Again find the mirror image of U. This is the mirror image of U. And mirror image of 4 looks like as follows. So this is the correct mirror image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question, because option C shows the correct mirror image of given combination. So here C is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. In a class of 20 students, Alisa's rank is 15 from the top. Manav is 4th rank above Alisha. What is Manav's rank from the bottom? In a class, rank of Alisa is 15 from the top. There are 20 students and Manav is 4th rank above Alisa. So rank of Manav from the top is 15 minus 4, it means 11th. So rank of Manav from the top is 11th. Now find the rank of Manav from the bottom end. Find the rank of Manav from the bottom end. So in this question there are total student. So there are total student is equals to 20. Now rank of Manav from the top is equals to 11. Now find the rank of Manav from the bottom. So formula is total minus rank of Manav from the top plus 1. So total is equals to 20 minus rank of Manav from the top is 11 plus 1. So 20 minus 11, it means 9, and then plus 1. 9 plus 1, it means 10. So rank of Manav from the bottom is 10th in this class. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. In a class of boys, Manish ranked 16 from the top and 29 from the bottom. Among those who has passed an examination, 6 boys did not participate in the examination and 5 fell in it. How many boys were there in the class? In a class, rank of Manish is 16 from the top and rank of Manish is 29 from the bottom. Who has passed the examination only? Now find the number of students who passed the examination is equals to top position plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Manish is 16 plus bottom position of Manish is 29 minus 1. 16 plus 29 means 45 minus 1. 45 minus 1, it means 44. So there are 44 students who passed the examination. Now find the total number of students in this class. So total number of students in this class is equals to number of students who passed the examination 44 plus number of students who did not participate in this examination is 6 plus number of students who failed in it. It means 5. So total number of students is equals to 44 plus 6 plus 5. It means 44 plus 6, it means 50 plus 5, it means 55. So there are 55 students in this class. So option D is the correct answer of this question, because there are 55 students in this class. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. If asterisk means multiply, dollar means plus, has means divided by, and copyright means minus, then what will be the value of following expression? So now expression is 360 has means divided by 24, and then dollar means plus 56, asterisk means multiply by 5, copyright it means minus 48. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. So 360 divided by 24, it means 15 plus 56 multiply by 5 minus 48. Now multiply the numbers. So now 56 multiply by 5, 15 plus 56 multiply by 5, it means 280 minus 48. Now add the numbers. 15 plus 280, it means 295 minus 48. 295 minus 48, it means 247. So 247, it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So here option C is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. So now unfold the sheet. Unfold the sheet in the same direction which it was folded and find the mirror image in each unfold. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X after cut. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction because Y has been folded in this direction. So when unfold the Z, then we get a image something like this. This is Y. Now image of y after unfold. Now unfold the y in this direction because x has been folded in this direction, so now y will be unfolded in this direction. So now unfold the y, then we get a image something like this. This is the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option B shows the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So we have completed the paper solution. We hope you have understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And all kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also get the new updates on our WhatsApp channel. You can join the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new updates regarding the Olympiad and other information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.